Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. So we are only a day before launch for the OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. And up until now, there have been leaks after leaks after leaks. Well, today we got some more leaks that gives us a hands-on look at the OnePlus 7 Pro thanks to Slash Leaks. And I gotta say, it looks beautiful, especially in that blue color. Now, in the front, it pretty much looks like the S10 Plus, just with the cutout hole up top. Instead, they are giving the OnePlus 7 Pro a pop-up camera to give us that full screen bezel-less experience. Now, not only did they give us this hands-on look, but we also get pretty much all of the specs. We got a Snapdragon 855 processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of internal storage, a 3-camera setup in the back with a 48, 16, and 8 megapixel camera, a Fluid AMOLED 6.67-inch display that is actually made by Samsung, so you know this device is going to have one of the best displays you can get on a device. We also have everything that comes in the box as well, and it looks like they are once again providing a case, which is actually pretty cool. But I am super hyped for this phone. I know I'm definitely going to do my best to try to get my hands on one. Like I said earlier, launch is tomorrow, so be ready for that. But let me know down below in the comment section what you think about these hands-on leaks, and are you excited for this device? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.